What's up, everyone? My name is Zachary. I'm a third-year resident at Maryville University. I'm also a resident assistant for Potter Hall, and we're going to take a little tour today. And something really cool about Potter Hall is that it actually used to be like a real Marriott hotel. So as soon as you walk in, it'll have that like nice hotel vibe, and with a hotel is a front desk worker. If you ever get locked out of your room, you can just go to our front desk worker, like Jeremy, and then they can help you get back into your room, no problem. We have free popcorn and free coffee. So if you ever need a little pick-me-up before class, you can absolutely do so before you head out for the day. We have our first floor lounge. So it's a really nice area to just hang out, do some homework maybe. And something really cool behind me here is this TV. So for the TV, you can actually stream whatever you want on your Apple device to this TV, and it'll play it live time. Behind me here, we have a pool table, and then just a nice comfy love sack if you want to plop down for the day. We also have our own personal gym, which is really cool. So you can see it right behind me here. Got someone on the treadmill working out right now. All dryers and washers, they're free of charge, so you don't have to worry about that. And then something else that's really cool is that these washers and dryers are actually new. So because of that, there is an app that you can download that'll show you the status of the washers and dryers, whether or not they're available or not. So now I'm with Raylan and Leia. We're here to check out our room. So you guys mind if we get a little tour?
So this is like my side.
Okay.
This is how like my bed. Like I have a little nightstand.
And Leia, what about you?
This is mine. I just have like a lot of blankets and pillows because it's always cold.
Yeah, I like to be cozy. Sure.
Yeah, we like to be cozy.
So is that the wardrobe right there?
Yeah, so this is mine.
Okay.
So like what I did is I just got baskets to kind of like organize like all my clothes.
Yeah. So Leia, that means you have the closet,
I have a
right?
closet, yeah.
Yeah, so since this was a hotel, we do actually have this built-in mirror closet right there. And then also our own private bathroom in Potter Hall. So you don't have to worry about sharing with anybody else. Got your own bathroom. Well, thank you so much for letting us check out your space today. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Every floor will have a lounge, but the third floor is a little bit more unique because it has its own ping pong table. Well, just like the first floor, you can also stream whatever you want onto this TV that we have going up here. It's a great place for people to hang out. A lot of people come, spend their time here. They're gonna play ping pong, or I see a lot of people studying. So however you wanna do it, nice comfy couches right over here. As you can see, we got Danny just chilling out right here. And we got some homework going on right behind me over here. Also, if you don't want to bring your own microwave to your room, you can also just use our little kitchenette area. So we have microwaves, we have toaster ovens, and then also we have a fridge. Thank you for joining me this tour of Potter Hall, and if you do decide to come to Maryville, we hope you live here.